Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be my empty apartment tour, and I forgot to record an intro. So this is the front door. As you go inside, we walk straight into my living room. So this is my living room. I absolutely love my living room. I like that it's not connected to my dining room. So yeah. So this is my coat closet. So here's just an overview of how the living room looks. Across from the living room, this is the kitchen. And I do have a gas stove this time, so I don't have electric. And I have a dishwasher, a garbage disposal, 2 sinks, and a window this time. And I don't have a pantry, but I have a lot of storage in the kitchen. And as I turn around, this is where I'm going to put the table. And yeah, so just another overview. So once I come out the kitchen, I go straight into the hallway. So this is the linen closet. Then across from the linen closet is the hallway closet. And now we're gonna head over to the kids' bedroom. This is the kids' bedroom. It's really big in here. I decided to give them this room. I wanted this room, but all my kids, I only have a 2-bedroom apartment, so I had to give them the bigger room. So this is their room. And I'm just going to put 2 beds on each side of the walls. And this is their closet. It's so big. Their closet is extremely big. So I come out their room. Right across is my room. So this is my room. It's small, but it's okay. And my closet is not too small either. It's a good size. Maybe I could downgrade my clothes that I have. So, yep. So this is the closet. So once I come out my room now, we're going straight into the bathroom. And I love my bathroom. I like that inside the tub, the shower area, is not tile. So I love that part about it. And I have storage underneath my sink. So, and then I have to change my shower head. And yeah, the mirror is not as big as the last one, but I absolutely love my bathroom that I have now. And it's marble countertops, so that's the plus. And yeah, so this is the end of the apartment tour. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.